Today, I'm processing a collimator lens for a friend. All materials of the lens are aluminum alloy. Not only does it have good heat dissipation, but also lighter. Let's not look at the processing process. Next, let's see how I assemble it. The left hand is the threaded glue adjustment part, and the right hand is SMA 905 base. Next, use Super 502 to connect the two parts together. Use UV light cured glue to drop into 4 holes, which serves as dustproof and sealing. Use an air pump to clean the dust inside. Drip photosensitive glue. Use a blade to apply the glue. Install the dustproof protective lens inside. Finally, use an ultraviolet lamp to cure it. Next, do the same operation. Installation method. Drip glue into the lens butt. Insert the connection base into the inside. Install the locking ring on the threaded focus cylinder. Next, connect the focusing cylinder to the lens. Adjust to a fixed focal length. Fix the locking ring. Now it's assembled. Isn't it beautiful, guys? Next, install the red light. Let's see the effect.